Welcome everybody to another 360 adventure. This time, we're at Disney World's Winter Summerland Mini Golf. And now for some family rules. The winner of each hole gets 1 point. No points are given if the hole is tied. The person with the most points wins. Plus, we have a couple other rules, but we won't get into that. As of now, here is the score. Now let's get into it.
Watch out, Jake. Don't get in the way of it.
Go in the hole. Hole-in-one. Hole-in-one for Sandy. Perfect time. It's a right underneath it. For perfect timing. Right in there.
Watch it. Watch it.
Hole-in-one. 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 Hole-in-one.
The heart's pounding.
Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes.
Sandy wins.
Sandy wins the hole.
Hi, Jax.
I guess anybody can still win if they hit their ball here. It's local sports, no way. It's 10,000 IQ. That's
You could hit your ball hit. There we go. Sandy gets the big hole-in-one. Nicely done.